Okay. Right, I believe others have settled, and now we can move on. I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to Mr. Anton, to welcome you to our lesson today, mathematics lesson. And we are going to go through a mathematics lesson. I hope you have my screen. You have my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. And we are going to go through a topic in Form 3 for revision purposes, which is circles, chords, and tangents. And the one who's going to take you the topic is Mr. Anyoka, a teacher from Tumutumu Girls, teaching mathematics and physics. So I want to welcome you all to this lesson. And with us, we have a number of schools. I would like, if possible, allow your cameras to be on so that I can point out those maybe are going to answer a few questions to us. Work on one example, and then I give you another illustration. Allow me to share my screen. Okay, I want you to take the first question on circles, chords, and tangents, and then we work out. Just a minute, then you write the first equation. In the figure below, not drawn to scale, DC is a tangent to the circle, DC 6 centimeters, AB 5 centimeters. Calculate BC. Are you able to see my scribbling? Something I've scribbled with red. Somebody to confirm.
You can see.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
All right, now. The problem is when you unmute to talk, then remember to also mute the microphone. All right. Now, the first thing that you should ask yourself, what is which type, what kind of intersection do you have in this question? You'll find that DC, you are told, is a tangent. So this one leads to the intersection of a tangent and a chord. So our code is AB, which is produced to meet tangent DC at C. So what will be now the connection? This was our third connection that was saying from D to the point of intersection squared is equals to A to the point of intersection times C to the other point on the circumference of the circle, CB. Then once you recognize the type of intersection, you are expected to write that intersection, and then you substitute what you know. We know that the DC is 6 centimeters, so you say 6 squared is equals to, we are asked to find BC. So let BC to be X. Then now we substitute that which we know. From A to C would be X plus 5. And then times C to B, BC, which is X. If we work out now an evaluation, so the first point is to identify which intersection. Number 2, you write down the relationship which is connecting the lengths in that kind of intersection. And then you substitute that which you know. Then you go ahead, you find this is X squared plus 5X. This equals to 36. You rearrange the equation, you get a quadratic equation, which is X squared plus 5X. We take that 6 to the other side, which gives us minus 36. This equals to 0. And this one conforms to a quadratic equation. Now, I would like you to work out this quadratic equation and give me the values of X. Waiting for the values of X. Once you are done, you raise up your hand. I can see Tumutumu girls, your hand is up. What is the value of X?
1, x1, 4, then x2, negative 9.
X1, 4, X2, negative 9. Yes, I want others to confirm whether it is true. If it is true, by the help of your teacher, you raise up your hand. I can see Samuel Mathenga saying that is very true. Great. So, but now this is not the answer. You must go ahead and do a bit of conclusion. How can you do this conclusion? We are looking for the value of X, which is a length. Yes, I can see a number of us are saying it's a correct statement. Many, it is good to accept a different opinion. Is there anybody who has a different answer from X is equals to 4 and X is equals to negative 9? Let us go with that. So we must go ahead and make a conclusion that is called discrimination. Discriminate what is not right and what is not working and what will work. This is a length. Length cannot be, yes. Sugar girls, you have anything to say?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it supposed to be -3 or -32?
Right. That's a good question. That's what I'm saying. You must go ahead as a student and then you discriminate. You find that the X cannot be a negative because we are saying this length. So BC is equals to 4. So you must go ahead and say BC is 4 because length cannot be said to be a negative. That's the first example that we can take. Now, because we know what is happening, I want us to go to this question. You copy this diagram and then you find the value of C. What is the value of CD? Work out for CD. Tumutumu guys, I see your hand is up. I don't know where that's how you keep your hand in class. Once you are done, you raise up your hand, you give us the response. I want you to work out for the value of the length CD in this diagram. Muita is from Kiamariga Secondary. Kiamariga, give us the answer. What is the value of CD? You can unmute yourself. Somebody from Kiamariga to give us the answer. As value of CD?
It is 6 centimeters.
6 centimeters. Are others in agreement? You can confirm maybe by yes. Sugar girls, have you confirmed if the student is true and you have worked out that's what you have? I want to see you physically clapping your hands. Give these students some clapping. Wonderful. I can see Tumutumu. They are confirmed the sugar girl answer is 6. Now, I want you to have a question that you'll take home as your assignment. We have question 7. I want you to take question 7. All right, I can see even the working of sugar girls. I want you to take this question in the figure given in the given figure. O is the center of the circle. AOBP is a straight line. Take this question.
Excuse me, Nyonka.
Yes. I can't get you exactly because of maybe network.
We have a concern with the previous question.
Yes.
Would you kindly go back to the previous question?
All right. Okay. The question is maybe let's address the question together because of time to see whether the student got it correctly. This is external intersection of two chords. So from A to E, from AE times EB equals to CE times ED. Substitute that which we know. We let what we don't know CD to be X. A to E is 10 times E to B is 6 is equals to e to c is x plus 4, and e to d is 4. Okay, let's evaluate what we have. This is 60 times 4x plus 16. We take 16 to the other side, we get 44 is equals to 4x. Divided by 4, divided by 4. 11, x is equals to 11. And what are we finding in this case? What we are finding is CD. So the all of this one is 11. The all of this one is x is 11. And okay. Where the other student that gave us 6 and the others clapped for him, we were wrong. Okay, because of time. Are we in agreement that 11 is the answer? Mr. Talam from BG? Yes, eh?
Yes, we're in agreement now.
Yes.
We're now in agreement.
All right. That's good that you have confirmed, and that's the good thing that we are doing a collaboration, and we know exactly where we have gone wrong. Now we were taking question 7 as our take-home question. And once you are done taking the question, now then we have our question done. I will share the screenshot of the question in the group. Our lesson comes to the end at this time, and I will stop sharing in my screen. And that's the end of our lesson. I was your teacher, Mr. Nyoka, and it was great sharing with you. Until next time, bye-bye. Nipigie makofi.
Can appreciate him. Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Anyoka. That was a very good lesson. Maybe just a few minutes before I invite Mr. Ntere, maybe to just say a word and invite our director who is here with us to comment as well. Thank you. Mr. Ntere. Mr. Ntere, if can hear me?
Mr. Ntere's network is not even the motion of his.
Yeah, maybe I can invite.
He's stuck, eh?
Yeah, I can invite our director who is here to say a word. Our director TSC. Welcome. Just say a word as we conclude.
Patrick, it's like I can't see him.
Oh, he may have left. So maybe we can take this time to thank you, Mr. Anyoka, for the good lesson. I think our 6 schools have gained something. We shall keep on sharing. Maybe next time we'll have another school presenting the lesson. Otherwise, we want to thank each one of you for the support that you have given this lesson, and also believe that we have been of help, particularly for the presenter. Because I can see Mr. Ntere maybe has an issue in joining. Maybe we can end at that point. Thank you so much. Stay safe.
Thank you. We had a number of schools and we are grateful. Have a nice lunch and a nice afternoon session in your schools. Bye.
Jamaa anajaribu kutuanisha